If you hate paying ridiculous airline baggage fees, this single packing rule will completely change the way you travel. Right now, everything I need to live and work anywhere on Earth for 6 months is inside this exact carry-on bag. No checked luggage, no waiting at baggage carousels, and zero risk of the airline losing my stuff. Hi guys, my name's Heath. Welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to show you how I pack for 6 months with just a carry-on bag. So the first thing I wanted to show you was the bag. This is a carrier bag. You can get this at Anaconda or BCF. Starting at the front, you'll see that it has some areas here where you can put your pens, or you can put light-saving material for discos, all types of things that you can put on the front here. Also has a patch, so you can put a little symbol there or whatever you want to put there. On the inside here, we have a few zippers, some storage. Down a bit further, we have some more storage. You can put wallets and things like that in there, or tech gear. For the dirty clothes, what I like to do is keep an extra bag just in the front compartment here. This compartment lifts up, and there's space where you can put this bag here for dirty clothes. So you just throw your dirty clothes in there, and then you can buckle it up on the side, and it will keep your clothes nice and tight in the front compartment there when you're walking around, or when you're going to a laundromat or something like that. There's another pocket at the front here. You can keep your charger in the front here. You can see I've got my charger there. For the back, this is where you'll keep your clothes and your shoes. As you can see here, you've got an area for a laptop. You'll put your clothes and your shoes in this area here, and then you'll have more space at the top here for whatever you want to put in there. Some extra underwear or socks, or some tech gear. Whatever you want to put in there is up to you. On the side here, there's more pockets, and you can put more things in there. So you've got 2 pockets on each side. Another trick that I like to use is walking around with a carry-on bag, just a small carry-on bag. You can take this out of your larger bag. So what I do is I just put it all together and then zip it up inside this bag here in the front. When I need it, I pull it out, and then I can put my wallet in the front here. I can put my tech gear in the back, and off I go. So this is also made from the same brand. This is Carrier. I'm not sure how to pronounce their brand name, but that's their brand name there. Just to show you a close-up of the brand. That's the brand there. So how do I pack t-shirts? I pack 7 t-shirts, like so. Fold them like this. Roll from the bottom. Place in your packing cube. T-shirts done. I like to pack 3 pairs of shorts, 1 dressy, 1 casual, and 1 swimwear. Fold them like this, roll from the bottom. Shorts done. Then we want socks and undies in a cube, so you have about 10 pairs of socks and 10 pairs of underwear. Next thing you need is 2 or 3 pairs of long pants. So you want to get some dress pants, and then you want to get some casual pants, preferably for winter, something like this with wool on the inside, so they're nice and warm. So the pants we just place flat because these are going to go on the bottom, and we want them to squish down as much as possible, saving vertical space. Then we want 2 dress tops, and you just want to place them in there. Place these items in your largest cubic that you've got. Then you have your shoes. For your second pair of shoes, you want some sliders or loafers. So here's some loafers here. These are good because you can just slide them on and they go with just about any outfit that you can put on. These are sliders. You'll be wearing these a lot if you're hanging around the house or around areas that's sort of like real casual. And then you want to be wearing these when you go on the plane or something like that. So you've got your pair of Nikes, your runners, and you've got your loafers or your sliders. So they're all zipped up and ready to go. So the first thing you want to do with the bag is get the largest cube and put that at the very bottom because everything's going to be flat there. So everything can be compressed by whatever you put on top. On top of that, you want to put your t-shirts and your socks and underwear. Then on top of that, you want to put your shorts and your shoes, and that's everything you need. So this is what it looks like before it's closed. As you can see, there's a bit of a gap there, but that'll all compress down. As you can see, that's ready to go now. It's all compressed down. There's still lots of space in there, so I could have put more things in there, such as putting things in a pocket or elsewhere in the front compartment. All right, guys, I'm about to wrap the video up, but I just wanted to let you know that you should also be wearing a coat like this, something like that, or a jacket like this with a jumper when you go on the plane because it does get cold on the plane. And this will also give you some extra clothing when you're out and about in your travels. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and let me know how you're going with your travels. Catch you on the next video.